So I think if you look at history and kind of precedent, how these kind of issues have played out prior to this time, it's usually a cloud that kind of lingers when you get this type of announcement. So we feel that this is a good time to kind of take a step back. If you look back, the stock hasn't really done much the last couple of years. There's no question that Les Moonves has a stellar, track record. But having covered the stock, there's always been this disconnect between the fundamentals and the recent price action. And with the cloud now regarding this potentially damaging sexual misconduct allegations, I think this is something that we expect to linger. I would share the view that the odds now seem less likely that Les Moonves could survive this.
Is there a Moonves premium in the stock? And if so, how much?
Well, shares have actually, I think, compared to the large media peers prior to this, traded at somewhat of a premium, which we think is somewhat justifiable. That being said, I think you're likely to see some of that premium now, get discounted. I would say anywhere from 10 to 15% is what investors have really traded up, the shares relative to some of his peers, because Les Moonves has done a spectacular job up until this moment.
Is the CBS-Viacom combination inevitable at this point?
Well, what we've said, Courtney, is that as a result of these developments, obviously Ms. Redstone, who's already called for a thorough and open and comprehensive investigation, I would be surprised if she does not seek to exert some type of leverage in this situation. Amid the ongoing, litigation, you see that each side is looking to, gain an advantage. So I would agree that the chances of CBS and Viacom getting together ultimately has been enhanced by this situation.